positivity.
As someone who survived one of the strongest typhoon ever recorded in the Philippine history, that moment made me realize that even in the darkest times, we tend to forget to be positive and see the positivity in the darkest times. But as I stand here, I'd like to remind everyone that we are the silver lining. We must contribute, give measurable actions towards our community. That's why I've been advocating towards sustainable engineering, environmental education, because true resiliency goes both having strong infrastructure and informed communities.
Thank you, Angel Rose.
Through sustainable engineering and environmental education, especially in areas on the strong and devastating typhoons. La Paz, David. Filipino community of Tallahassee, Florida, U.S.
How would you utilize the platform of SLASER to make a positive impact in the community?
For the past 25 years, the Miss Philippines Earth organization has been advocating for our planet. And as I stand here as a delegate, we have been given a platform to raise awareness and fight for the causes that we believe in. But as I stand here, I'd like to give this message of hope that we still have time to preserve and protect our Mother Earth. Let us remember to encourage our government, to involve our communities, and be responsible individuals. Because if we work hand in hand, anything impossible can be made possible for our Mother Earth, for our planet. Thank you.
Thank you, La Paz Leyte. La Paz Leyte.
Crowning Miss Philippines Modern is Samantha Rios, together with Carson Precious Laws President and Project Director, Miss Michi Merencio.